Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are gonna be trading binary options in Olam Trade. Yeah, I feel like Olam Trade is much greater than others. So yeah, here we are. Here we get on with it. $48,000 is the account balance here. Let's do this. Yeah, finish it. Okay. So here we are. Let's see how will it react, how it is gonna end. It is not moving at all. One thing is for sure that whenever it jump, one thing is for sure that it will jump eventually. Yeah, eventually it is gonna jumping. It is gonna be jumping. Eventually, yeah, right. Four, three, two, one. Okay. Oh wow! Oh! Okay, $61,000. All right. Told you that eventually it is gonna be jumping, yes, and so it does. Okay, so let's change it to AUD. Is it open now? I guess so. Let's go for one buy trade now because I feel like it is. It is not robotic voice. It is from my what do you call it, from my water bottle. You can check it out. Odd USD has gone for sale. Making fun, man, fun. Life is fun. Okay, so we have placed multiple sell trades here from Odd USD. Let's go on and check along. 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48. Let's get our $1,000 back. Oh, no, oh, what? I missed it. I missed it. Man, what are you doing? What's wrong with you? Oh my god. No, please. Oh my god. Why did I close that on not specifically right time? No, please. I should have waited. Man, oh man, oh man. Why did I do that? But it's still not bad. It is at it is somewhere at around break even point. Yeah. 5, 4, jump. To jump, you idiot. Fuck off. Okay, sorry. I don't have control on my emotions. Yeah, I seriously don't have control over my emotions. But that's fine. I mean, this is part of life, man. Everybody does that. Those who have control over themselves are the luckiest one, I believe. Yeah, because having control is something you can control. Yeah, having control is something you can control. Wow, deep meaning. All right, let's trace it. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait, have one. Okay. Let's go for sale. Let's get along. Let's go on. And yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Whenever I go for buy, it goes opposite. Why, man? What's wrong with you? What did I do to you? Did I ask your sister out or what? I didn't do anything, right? I feel like I've committed a crime or like this because the behavior I'm receiving is not acceptable. Yeah, that's definitely not something I was on I was getting. So I don't expect this type of behavior from the market, so better to better to have a closing balance. Better to have a closing balance. Insufficient funds. Okay, so I may need. Oh, so let's see. We still have 12 more seconds, 8 more seconds left for the trade to be closed, and as of now, we were in profit a few seconds ago. What the fuck? 22, 27, 35, $38,000. I guess we are gonna touch those 50 grand mark. Are we just about? Yep, we are. That brings us to the end of this video. If you like this video, make sure to give a huge thumbs up. See you guys in the next video. Till then, make money, not war.